everyone, my name is Munira and this is my first dance tutorial. The next video that I am going to post on my channel on my 22nd birthday is also going to be my 50th dance video. So I thought this would be a nice way to celebrate that by also creating my first tutorial now. So I am going to be flipping the video. So this is my right and this is my left. So you can follow along the video easily because it's mirrored. And this is my first tutorial. So I might go a little fast at some point, but because it's recorded, so you can always come back to the video and you can revise the steps. There are a lot of turns in the video, so let's also get that out of the way. So this is my right shoulder, this is my left shoulder. So if I tell you to turn over your right shoulder, so your right shoulder will go back. So you will take a clockwise turn. And if I tell you to turn over your left shoulder, so your left shoulder will go back and you will take an anti-clockwise turn. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so we will start with our right leg out. Your hands can rest on your thighs or they can hold whatever you're wearing. Now, there will be music in the beginning. Na 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 na. So it's up to you to do whatever you want. You can sway, you can do shoulder waves, you can just look down. Then the first step. So the first step is right hand to left shoulder, left hand, right shoulder, both hands out, and then a wave, left, right. Okay? So this comes on Jab se hua hai ye. From here, your legs will do a little jump and go 1, 2, 3 steps forward. Okay? So you go and your arms will go out. So from here they come to the center and they go out. So you go out. And then both of your hands come forward, hold and come back. Okay? So this is going to be Achha sa lagta hai. From here your legs will go left back, right point, right back, left point. And your arms go right in, right out, left in, left out. So this goes Dil ho gaya phir se. Okay? From here, your legs go left, right. Okay? So your left leg goes out and your right leg goes back. Your hands will go turn and left. So they will make a big circle and then go left. Okay? So it goes Bachcha sa lagta hai. Now this step and the next step, there is no pause in between, it's in a flow, okay? So from here, you will take a turn over your right shoulder. So you will take a turn and you will end up with your left leg open. While you do this, your hands are going to go in the front, so they will come forward and then your left hand will go through your right arm, okay? So you go, Bachcha sa lagta hai, Ishq ragon mein. So you end with your left hand on your right shoulder. So Ishq ragon mein. From here, your left leg will go back. So your left leg, you can slide it back or you can just put it back. So it goes back and your hands will go the other way. So your right hand will go through your left arm and your left arm will go up. Okay? So you go Ishq ragon mein jo behta rahe jaake. Okay? So let's go from here. This goes Ishq ragon mein jo behta rahe jaake. From here, your left leg goes out, your left leg goes back, and you take 2 turns over your right shoulder. So turn, turn. Okay? Arms. So your hands will go kano mein. So your right hand goes over your right ear. So kano mein chupke se. And then your hands will go to your waist or whatever you're holding. So, kehta rahe. Okay? This is basically the first part before the tare gin. So let's just go over this in one flow. Okay? So we start with Jab se hua hai ye, achha sa lagta hai, dil ho gaya phir se, bachcha sa lagta hai, ishq ragon mein jo behta rahe jaake, कानों में चुपके से turn, turn. Okay? Okay, so after the 2 turns, your feet are together and we are at the main tare gin step. So what we'll do is, our left leg goes out we look towards the right, and our hands will go in and up. Okay? So you will go tare gin, then you flick. After the flick, we will turn. How will we turn? Our left leg goes forward, our right hand goes forward, and we turn over our right shoulder. So we turn. Okay? So this is the full, this is the step. So tare gin, flick, turn, and then we'll do it again. So again, same step, tare gin, flick, turn. Okay? From here, we will do soye bin sare gin. So our knees will bend and your hands will go, your left will support your right and your right will go, you will go to sleep. Okay? So you will go soye bin, but because it's soye bin, so we will like throw our right hand, we will hit our right hand with our left and we will throw it and we will wake ourselves up. So it's soye bin and throw. Okay? From the throw, your right leg is out, it goes right left. Okay? And your arms will go circle. Okay? So it goes soye bin, throw, circle. Okay? So this is sare gin. So your right hand will go up, left hand will be down, and then they will both circle, and the right ends on the waist and the left ends on the shoulder, right shoulder. Okay? So let's go from tare gin once. We go tare gin, flick, turn, tare gin, flick, turn, soye bin, throw, sare gin. Okay? Now from here it's a little bit complicated, I think, because there are a lot of half turns. So just pay attention to the right and left. Okay? So from here, you are like this. Now your left leg will cross over your right leg. Okay? And then you will take a half turn over your right shoulder. So you are facing right, diagonally, right? You will turn, and now you are facing left diagonally, and your right leg is crossing. Okay? So we do this. So from here, you will go 1 and 2. Now your left leg will go up and down. Your knee. So your left knee will go up and down. So let me just tell you the hands also. So from here, the hands will go in and out. Okay? So when you do this and this. So from here, it goes ek hasi. Okay? So you go ek hasi. You're looking towards your right. Ek hasi. Then maza hai ye. So your left leg goes up and down. So your hands will go scoop and down. Okay? Maza. Then you will turn over your left shoulder. Okay? And you will make a half turn again. So you will turn, and now you're facing right diagonally and your feet are together. Okay? Then you will make a half turn over your right shoulder, but your feet will not move. So only your body will go this way. Okay? And your right hand will go this way. It will do a circle. When you're after this, when you're turning, nothing is going on with your hands. Okay? So let's just take this from the beginning. So after this will go left cross, turn over right, left knee up, left back down, turn over left, and then turn over right. Okay? And your hands will go in, out, scoop, down, nothing, and then circle. Okay? So from here it goes ek hasi maza hai ye. So we end here. From here you will jump and you will turn over your left shoulder. So you will do a full turn. More than a full turn because we are already here. So you will go turn. And when we turn, our right hand will go over our face and we will laugh. Because it's saying maza hi ya saza hai ye. So from here, you're facing right diagonally. Now you make a half turn and you're here, right? So you go jump, turn, up, down. So now your leg will go up, down. Okay? And your hands will here, let me just finish this part. From here, you will go, your hands will come together, right hand out, right leg out, back in, right out, back in. Okay? Okay. So from here, it goes, एक हसी मजा है ये. From here, मज़ाहिया सज़ा है ये ए, and then you turn over your right. You can take one turn, you can take two turns, that is up to you. However you feel comfortable. So you can take one turn and then pause. That is also fine. So that is the end of the second part. Let's do it once in a flow. And okay, so from this we take two turns and then we go tarigin flick turn, tarigin flick turn, soybean throw, sarigin एक हसी मजा है ये, मज़ाहिया सज़ा है right, right, and then turn towards the right. Okay, this is the end of the second part. So we took two turns or one turn as you wish, and now we're standing here and it's the same lyrics as the beginning. So what our legs will do is left, right, left open. Okay, and your arms will go right, left, up, up. Okay, we'll take two circles up. So this will be जब से हुआ है ये. Okay, from here you will look to your right and your right will go down. You will look to your left and your left will go down. So this will be अच्छा सा लगता है. From here your left knee will go up, your left leg will go down, and your right leg will open. Okay, and your arms are in, circle, up. Okay, so this is दिल हो गया फिर से या जैसे. Okay, now from here you will take a turn over your right shoulder. Okay, so you will turn, your legs will be crossed, and then you will turn again over your left shoulder, so you will come back. Okay, so we ended here. Our hands will do right and left. So you will do बच्चा सा लगता है. Okay, from here your legs will go right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, and your hands go right, left, right, and then your right will go circle. So left, right, left. Okay, so this is दिल हो इश्क रगों में जो बहता रहे जाके. Okay, from here कानों में चुपके से कहता रहे. Okay, so your right leg will go out and your right hand will go to your left ear. So you will go कानों में, on चुपके से you will just turn. So you will do this and you will turn with your right hand over your right shoulder. So इश्क रगों में जो बहता रहे जाके कानों में चुपके से. Then you will go right, left, right, left, right, left, and your hands will go right and left. Okay, so कानों में चुपके से कहता रहे. Okay, from here now we will do the tarigin step, but in the other direction. So our right leg will open and we will do it towards the left. So we will go tarigin flick and we will turn over our left shoulder. So we will bring our right leg forward, we will bring our right hand forward, and we will do a turn. And then again, tarigin, flick, turn. Okay? From here we will do the same soybean. So soybean will be with your right. So soybean, and then you open. Okay, so you wake up. So you soybean and you wake up with your left leg out. Wake up. And then sarigin. In sarigin you will cross your left leg in front and you will turn over your right shoulder. Sarigin. Now you are free to do whatever you want with your hands in both of those, like both of these steps. So you can just wake up however you want and you can do sarigin however you want. So in the video I did this. You can also do this and you can also do this, whatever you want. So सोए बिन and wake up. Sare gin. Now in the video I did another turn here, but that was not planned. So after Sare gin, you just take 2 steps back. Okay? So yeah. Let's go till here from here. Whatever. Okay, let's do it till here, and then there will be a tiny end part left. Okay? So let's go. जब से हुआ है ये अच्छा सा लगता है, दिल हो गया फिर से बच्चा सा लगता है, इश्क रगों में जो बहता रहे जाके, कानों में चुपके से कहता रहे, तारे गिन फ्लिक टर्न विद राइट लेग, तारे गिन फ्लिक टर्न, सोए बिन wake up, सारे गिन back. Hey. Okay, so we're at the very last part where the 2 singers are singing and the voices are on top of each other. So what we do is we will follow the faster lyrics first, and then we will switch over to the slower lyrics. Okay? Well, we just took 2 steps back and we're standing with the feet together. So the first step is right, left, right, left. Then we come together and then we turn over our left shoulder. So we do a turn. Okay? In this, your hands will go right, left, then you will do this. So you will go acha sa, and then you will turn. So you will just flick with your right hand. Okay? So this will go जब से हुआ है ये अच्छा सा लगता है. Okay? From here, your legs will go left, right, towards the left. So left, right, then towards the right, right, left. Then left will go back, right will go back, right will go back, left will go back. Okay? So this goes left, right, left, right, left. Now your hands. Your hands will go forward, back, circle, up. Then you will make a circle. So you will make a clockwise circle and then an anti-clockwise. So you will go clockwise circle, anti-clockwise circle. Okay? So this is दिल हो गया फिर से बच्चा सा लगता है. Okay? From here, we will switch over to the second singer who is saying मज़ाहिया सज़ा है ये. So we will make a turn over our right shoulder. So we will go मज़ाहिया. Okay? So we will turn over our right shoulder and open our arms. So we will go मज़ाहिया. Then your left leg goes up and your hands go up. Saza. And then it's up to you. This is the end of the choreography. Because after this, what I did in the choreography was I did 2 turns or 3 turns and then I just went up. But you can do whatever you want. If you just want to go up in this direction, or you want to take a turn and then sit on the floor. So this is up to you. Like how you want to end the choreography is up to you. Okay, so let's go over it from here. So this goes. जब से हुआ है ये अच्छा सा लगता है, दिल हो गया फिर से बच्चा सा लगता है, मज़ाहिया सज़ा है. The end. Okay? So yeah, that's the end of the choreography. Now I will do the whole choreography on the lyrics slowly once. And yeah, that's it. Okay, so let's go over the choreo once with the lyrics slowly. So we start with the right leg out. Okay. So we go, जब से हुआ है ये अच्छा सा लगता है, दिल हो गया फिर से बच्चा सा लगता है, इश्क रगों में जो बहता रहे जाके, कानों में चुपके से टर्न टर्न, तारे गिन फ्लिक टर्न, तारे गिन फ्लिक टर्न, सोए बिन थ्रो, सारे गिन, एक हंसी मज़ा है ये, मज़ाहिया सज़ा है ये, टर्न टर्न. Then जब से हुआ है ये अच्छा सा लगता है, दिल हो गया फिर से बच्चा सा लगता है, इश्क रगों में जो बहता रहे जाके, कानों में चुपके से कहता रहे, तारे गिन फ्लिक टर्न, तारे गिन फ्लिक टर्न, सोए बिन थ्रो, सारे गिन बैक बैक, जब से हुआ है ये अच्छा सा लगता है, दिल हो गया फिर से बच्चा सा लगता है, मजा हिया सजा है ये. That's the end of the choreo. Thank you so much for being here. I had a lot of fun making this. I am not trained in any dance forms, so all of my choreographies are just me having fun. So I really hope that you also have fun learning this and dancing to it.